On top inside Edo today and on top Obaseki judicial reforms, night construction of judges' quarters and industrial court complex don take almost finish. As part of Obaseki plan to reposition Edo State make e come be judicial hub for south-south, now Governor Godwin Obaseki administration don take dey reconstruct ogbonge judges' quarters and industrial courthouse wey don almost complete. Site engineer for judges' quarters Abumere Atama tok say work for judges' quarters for government reservation area GRA for Benin City don reach better level because work for there don almost complete and people go soon start to dey stay there. Atama tok say na last year na dem start the project and work don almost finish as wetin remain na to lay tiles and furniture and dem don already dey paint the gym house. He tok say the judges' quarters go be 5 duplex for judges' villa, 5 boys' quarters and 1 gym house. Judges' villa and boys' quarter don dey 70% complete and gym house don dey 60% complete. The engineer tok say work don waka far for the compound fence and dem don begin dey do electrical work and window dressing for the villa. For industrial court complex, work don almost finish for there as work don begin for the surrounding. We go remember say some months ago na officials of Edo State government waka go do check to see how work don waka reach for industrial court, and dis na to make sure say industrial katakata for Edo and south region na im dem go dey settle for there instead of dem to dey travel dey go Ondo State as dem dey do am before. Na here we see dis ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today, as e be say Governor Godwin Obaseki administration don dey construct judges' quarters and industrial court complex for Edo State. Make una know say dis ogbonge updates wey dey reach una so na T Live Media na im dey carry am dey come give una. And to dey get more of dis ogbonge tori, make una subscribe to our YouTube channel on top T Live Media TV. Make una comment and like all our videos. Make una still follow us for Facebook on top T Live Media. And una fit still log on to www.tlivemedia.com to dey get more ogbonge tori.